Now that we've gone through all of the setup, it's time to create a simple program of our own. For our first program, I will walk you through how to create a working traffic light program with LEDs. This program will teach you more about controlling LEDs and the use of the wait command to time events. For this program, you will need your Hummingbird board and 3 LEDs, one red, one green, and one yellow. Let's start by setting up your Hummingbird board. Connect the green, yellow, and red LEDs to ports 1, 2, and 3. Make sure that your board is connected to your computer. Now let's head over to the Blockley Duo website. If you are using Google Chrome, you will need to log into the CodeBender site as well. We are going to need our traffic light to go from green to yellow to red and then back to green. First, we need to turn on the green light, which should be connected to port 1. Select the Hummingbird category and drag an LED block into the middle of the screen. Next, select the Math category and place a number block inside the LED block. Change the value of the number block from 0 to 255. With that, you have activated the green LED at port 1. Now let's work on turning the light off. Right-click on the LED block you have in place and select Duplicate from the options. Attach a new LED block at the end of the original one and change its value to 0. Now we don't want the light to turn off immediately, and we want to leave the green light on for some time. Select the Control category and drag in a Delay in MS block and snap it between the 2 LED blocks. Add a number block to the Delay in MS block and change the value to 3000 milliseconds, which is 3 seconds. Now duplicate the 2 LED blocks and delay block, then attach each block to the end of the stack. Your code should now look like this. Now let's change the second 2 LED blocks to affect the yellow LED. Click the 1 next to port number and select 2 on the bottom 2 LED blocks. The yellow light should be on for a shorter time than the green light. Change the delay to 1 second or 1000 milliseconds. Now let's make a final set of blocks for our red LED. Duplicate the blocks again and set them to port 3. To complete the program, set the delay to 2 seconds. The program is now complete. Note that once we upload the program, the Hummingbird will automatically repeat itself, so we don't have to. Next, go to the Arduino Code tab and select Hummingbird Duo from the drop-down menu. Before we upload, let's verify our code by clicking Verify Code here. You should see the message Code compiled successfully at the bottom here. Now it's time to upload our code to our Hummingbird board. Just like in setup, these steps are a little different depending on your web browser. For Chrome users, copy all of the green code from the Arduino tab. Over in CodeBender, you will need to create a new sketch by clicking here. A window will appear where you can name and describe your sketch for later use. Select Create. Delete any code already in the window and make sure the code window is completely clear. Paste the code generated by Blockley Duo into the window and check your device for the Hummingbird Duo and the port number. Then click Run on Arduino. You may be prompted to reset your board. This means your board is in tethered mode. Hold the reset button down until the upload reads as successful. And with that, your traffic light program should successfully be uploaded to your board. For Firefox users, you only have one step. Just click Upload to Arduino. The traffic light program will then be uploaded to your board. You have now completed and uploaded your first program with Blockly and the Hummingbird board. In our next video, we will take a look at saving the programs you create.